Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm LawByAriz and today is day 5 and I'm back at it. So let's not waste any more time and start solving problems. This is the CodeChef homepage and as of every day my streak didn't count, which means I haven't even opened the platform properly. Okay, let's go to the practice page. And as always, I have to tell this, my videos are all unedited, raw. So if I make any mistakes in anything, please be a little supportive. Okay. So not yesterday, day 4, we attempted one problem and it was correct. So let's do another unedited problem, which is presentation. Okay, this is a new problem. The difficulty is lower, but what is the issue with new problems are they're much more difficult and even older, more difficult problems. Okay, but we will give it a shot. No issues. Okay, presentation. Chef needs to give a presentation that lasts that lasts exactly 10 minutes or 600 seconds. Sorry, I'm a little cold. Okay. He will prepare a slideshow containing some number of slides for the presentation. Okay. He knows that he takes exactly 30 seconds to cover each slide. He has already made n slides. How many more slides does he need to make so that his presentation lasts exactly 10 minutes? Okay, what I have understood from the question is chef needs to give a presentation exactly 10 minutes. Okay. He will prepare a slide containing some number of he will prepare a slide show containing some number of slides for the presentation. Okay. He knows that he takes exactly 30 seconds to cover each slide. Okay. So n is the number of slides. So 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 30 is 300. So he will need another 10 slides. Okay, so we have to first declare variable n equals to integer input and as always representing the number of slides. And we have to figure out how many more slides he does need to make his presentation exactly last 10 minutes. Okay, guys, see, 1 slide takes 30 seconds. So 10 slides will take about 300 seconds. So 10 minutes equals to 600 seconds. So how many more slides would make chef would make chef's presentation 600 seconds. Okay. So currently it's 300 seconds. So if we just do simple maths, so 10 plus 10, 20. So chef needs to add 10 more slides to make his presentation 10 minutes long. Okay. It's very simple. I thought it would be hard since new problems are okay. And multiplied by, not multiplied by. Sorry for the background noise if you guys can able to hear it. Okay. And multiplied by how much? Not multiply. We need to figure out. Okay, first we have to declare another variable. Let's name it A. A equals to n times 30. Okay, guys, this is very important. So as we know, one slide takes exactly 30 minutes to cover, 30 seconds to cover. So by this line, the second line of code, we are finding how much slide he has already made. Okay. If is over 600, as we know that if it's over 600, he does not need to make any slides. So if it's over or equal to 600, print 0. Else print 600 divided by I don't know. Let's first check if it's okay or not. 600. Okay, let's find out. N multiplied by 3 is 300. So 600 divided by 300 is 2. Okay. Mathematically, the code is correct, but I am wrong. Okay, we have to figure out how many more slides we need to make. Okay. All right. I'm thinking. A is the number of slides. So 600 minus. Okay, we can do another thing. B equal to 600. B equal to 600 minus N. Minus A, sorry. So what we will figure out? Okay, 3 divided by 30. Let's now check. Now we'll explain later. Not 300, B. B divided by 30. Oh, yeah. And let's take it as well. 0. I hope it's correct. 20, yes, it's working. So now I'm explaining. So n equals to integer input. As we know in Python, inputs are initially in string. So to use it for mathematical or operational purposes, we have to turn it to integer. So integer input. And the second line of code, a equal to n multiplied by 30. So n in sample 1 is, okay, I have explained sample 1. Sample 2 is 0. So 0 multiplied by 30 is 0, nothing. So see B minus 600, B equals to 600 minus A. So A is 0. For sample 2, A is 0. So 600 minus 0 is 600. So I think you guys have understood. A is representing the number of slides he have already made, and B is like we are figuring out how many more seconds he does need to perform. And yeah, so if A for sample 2 is 0, as we have understood, 0 multiplied by 30 is 0. So 0 is obviously less than 600 or less than or equal to 600. So we are going to the else because 0 is not true. So we are going to else and print B. B is the number of slides he does need to perform more. So for example, B here is 600. So 600 divided by 30 is divided by 30. 600 divided by 30 would come to 20, I guess. So, and another reason for double division is, as we know, hashtag for comments. So this is for standard divisions. This may result in decimal countings, but if you use double division marks, it will not. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. Okay, 20 for the C. It is coming 20.0. We don't need that. So that is the reason behind using double division marks. That would give us rid of the decimal points because we don't need it. TBH. Okay, I hope it would be correct. Yes, it is correct. Phew. I thought it would be a very hard time since new problems are always be tough. Okay. So day 5 ends here. Bye bye. Take care. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. See you on day 6. Bye bye.